umaga, magandang araw, magandang gabi. Ngayon ay isi-celebrate natin ang 22nd birthday ni Jasmine. Ito ang handa ni Jasmine. Nagluto ko ng pansit, may lemon, may chicken, at saka yung kanyang cake. Ng ating birthday celebrant at saka si Grace, tsaka si Mariano, yon. Kami ay nag-uumpisa ng kumain. Siya kakain muna kami. Naayos mo ang 2 and 2. Oh. Paglayuin mo ang 2.
Oh, I already put a hole in the can.
Mayano, nanonood ng TV. Yeah, yun.
Wait, should I kick it closer to you? Wait, don't put me in. I'm so ugly.
Siya, yun hindi ko yun kakat. Oh. Yeah, sing happy birthday.
Wait. Wait, turn off the lights. I have to turn off my lights.
Yeah, kaya mahirap nga wala kasama mo ito.
Well, Daddy, you're the one that really wanted to go home so bad.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Make a wish. Don't blow the cake, ha? Only the candles. Yay!
Okay.
Alright. Hindi mala kumanta si Mariano eh. Daddy, hindi ka pala narinig na kumanta. Hindi, kumanta ka nga ng happy birthday. Daddy, dali. I want to hear you. Daddy naman. Kumanta ka ng happy birthday. Dali. Hindi. Dali, gusto ko lang marinig ang boses mo na kanta. Hindi, kumanta ka, dali.
Happy birthday.
Hindi. Kumanta ka ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Nakita na kitang umiyak.
I bumped my head.
Narinig din ang daddy mo umiyak ka na.
Yeah.
Noon sa hospital na ano kayo?
Oh no.
Oh.
Okay, why are we bringing that up? Okay.
Yummy, yummy. Yeah.
Ay, may bawal dyan, matamis yan.
Daddy, kumanta ka nga ng happy birthday. I want to hear your voice, singing voice.
This is the voice. Oh, there's plastic around it.
Magkano
Can I
yan?
post this? This was like $55. She said she wanted that cake, and I
Ang
didn't.
kamahal.
She was the one that chose Paris baguette. I was fine with anywhere.
But you did not look at the price.
I didn't look at them. You're like, just choose. It's you.
an
I'm
expensive
okay
cake.
with like.
It should be very tasty, ha?
She said I need to finish
Justin, do you like the picture? Can I
it.
post
Bruh.
Who pay?
I did. With her credit card.
What'd you say on the camera?
Seafood City, Christmas already. The improved Seafood City. May mangga na sila. Mga apples, pineapple, cantaloupe. Grapes, green grapes. Ano to? White pomelo. Wow, nice. Happy Thanksgiving daw sa inyong lahat. Tapos dito may pa-Jollibee. Ang baba ng clouds doon sa ano yun, no? Foggy doon, foggy. Thanksgiving Eve. Kakatuwa yun, yung mga clouds doon. Houses in the mountain. We just came back from Seafood City. Then we're going to an American grocery store. Na kami sa Safeway. Yun. Foggy doon sa mountain na yun.
Is it foggy or is it like smoke?
Foggy.
Because I can see like it moving.
Yeah. Di ba naman ang cloud ay nagmo-move?
Yeah, but they move really slow. Like they move to where you can't
Ba.
see it.
That is scary kung yan ay smoke. Nasusunog yung ano.
It
Yan.
looks really intense.
Yeah.